So, you haven't gone viral on YouTube. You're putting your heart and soul into your YouTube channel. You're showing up every week. You're putting out good videos. You're working on your descriptions. You're working on your titles, your thumbnails, your hooks. And it's just not blowing up the way you'd wanted it to. What I'm here to tell you here today on this video is that that's absolutely fine. Like, it's not supposed to work that way. YouTube is about, putting in the reps, putting out good content for your viewer every week, and building that channel organically. And it can take time. But don't lose hope that you won't go viral at some point. You just never know what's around the corner. Look at Rob the Maritimer, who, if you've not seen Rob before, he makes videos. He's based in Nova Scotia. He makes videos about how to grow on YouTube. And he was averaging 2,000 to 3,000 views per video, which is, in my view, not a bad thing. But he made a video about why you should start a YouTube channel if you're over 40, and it blew up. And he's gone from strength to strength ever since. And when he put that video out, that was actually a little bit of a deviation from what he'd been doing on the channel at the time. So he probably looked at that video as a bit of a risk rather than pinning any hopes on it going viral. So the point is, you just don't know what's around the corner. You don't know that your next video isn't going to be the one that goes viral, the one that takes your channel from here to here. So don't give up hope, but don't get too bogged down in trying to understand the anatomy of a viral video. Don't get too bogged down with your descriptions and your titles and making these tweaks and things. Sure, try and understand what drives traffic. That's absolutely fine, but just don't lose sight of the fact that it's ultimately down to how good your video is. Yeah, you can drive traffic to it, but the video itself has to be good. And sometimes we start to sacrifice the quality of the content to try and drive the traffic. Don't lose sight of that. Make videos that your viewer wants to see, answer the questions they have, solve the problems they have. And as long as you're doing that and you're showing up every week and you're delivering these videos, then you just don't know what's around the corner. So don't give up, keep going, and hopefully the next one could be your viral video. Have a great day, have a better week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.